ONLIEGAMNG platform. Part 2. The dark side of the online game. Addiction for online gaming. Children and youth started playing gaming online. A large number of people, especially children and the youth, got addicted to online gaming. It has been this affects education, social life and relationships with family members fellow. Following incidents of violence and suicide has been increased. Big breaking. 41 people committed suicide in Tamil Nadu in 3 years. On games like PUBG and Blue Whale Challenge. Was banned because of this addiction. Side effects of online game. Also affects the vision of children and young people has fallen. The most popular Indian online game Ludo promotes gambling and betting. A controversy has arisen. Government action of strike on the online gaming app. TDS from the 1st of April 2023 on online gaming applications. TDS, tax deducted at source, from April 1st will apply. Reaction by gaming platform. Earlier TDS on it from the 1st of July 2022 was about to fall. With online gaming, associated organizations TDS on this sector and protested against the imposition of GST. Was Goods and Services Tax, GST. There is a possibility that online gaming on taxation of horse racing and casino too. There will be a discussion. Current taxation. Currently one of the online games. On the amount won in the financial year as 10,000, there is no taxes. New taxation law. There is a threshold limit up to, i.e. win up to less than 10,000 rupees as long as do not think. However, from April 1st this limit destroys. It will be done, and even if you win 100 rupees, excluding entry fee, TDS at the rate of 30% will apply. How is TDS calculated? Let's understand it through an example. Suppose you spend Rs 1,000 as an entry fee, and in the game Rs 20,500 won, then the game company Rs 19,500 will deduct TDS, 20,500 rupees Rs 1,000. Tax on it is 5,850 rupees. 30% of 19,500 rupees to government department will be deposited, and the remaining 13,650 rupees will be credited to the player's account. Income tax return effect. while filing income tax return as per rules. The amount won in online games is called income. It is necessary to show in from other sources. TDS on winnings in online games. Income whether deducted or not deducted. It has to be shown in the tax return. While filling the income tax return file, be careful with following. While doing online gaming. From non-disclosure of income at double rate, TDS will be charged. State-wise new law. Various state governments prohibited online game. Last week in the Tamil Nadu Assembly banning online games. The bill was passed. DMK leader T.R. Balu said that because online gambling in the state in the past 3 years, 41 people have committed suicide. According to bill, all types of game of chance banned and to the player 3 months imprisonment and hours 5,000 or both can happen. Due to online games which many people lose their money and in Tamil Nadu for committing suicide. Except many other states on it. Ban. Some online. History of law by state government. On online gambling in 2017. First state to ban online game was Telangana. Then Andhra Pradesh in 2020. And Maharashtra banned it. Goa, Sikkim, Daman, Meghalaya and states like Nagaland have their own control of public gaming in play. States' laws have been enacted to impose. Like Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. States have published with some amendments in Gaming Act has been implemented. Pondicherry government sued. Online gaming in union territories. Will bring a bill for banning online games. Many more details, facts and laws are also coming in future to save our future from online games. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for many more videos like this.